Are you allowed to come out and play?
Yeah. You're keen, aren't you?
Yeah, it has. Can't shit on camera, mate.
What would I go?
Best be careful, lads. Anyone got £2?
We're in a cashless society.
They probably take Bitcoin.
Venmo. I thought you were pulling on my bag there, Gaz.
You misjudged me a lot. So after many months and miles, we've finally found a nice campsite for the night. We're in a very popular area and there's been lots of people around, so we tried our best to find where we think is the best for camp. A little bit of a ditch here, master fire, buildings over there. This for me feels like the stealthiest camp we've done so far. What's your initial thoughts about this patch? Crap.
That's the usual standard.
Not to the usual standard. What about you, Mark?
Yeah, it's good.
Good? Happy?
Over the moon.
There we go.
Can't stop laughing.
The sarcasm is real today, eh? These two. You'd think they weren't out in the woods? Catch you in a bit.
Yeah.
There's lots of people around.
Timber. You alright behind there, Taz? Fucking hell. Hey, Gaz just did the intro, I think. So I'm not going to bother doing it like that. I sound pissed already.
Pissed off, yeah?
So, yeah, nice little spot with loads of trip hazards and stuff. But, bench.
My legs are feeling better already. I've saved myself 4 hours from building a chair.
It was a good chair, all right.
That was a good chair.
If you don't know what we're talking about, check out the chair video.
Yeah, your legs would have fallen off without that.
So today we have the return of Taz. Taz is with us again. There he is. He was a bit poorly last time, so he couldn't come, but he's back on top form.
Yep.
Sweating his knackers off.
Yeah, wet through.
Right. While we're waiting, we're going to crack open Good Friends at Brew York.
I don't know it yet. But they are very good friends.
Brew York, I know you watch our videos.
No, it's your video.
It's not, it's ours.
Fine.
Guys, that's more than one.
Once it's monetised, I bet it'll be yours. What are you drinking?
This is Henry Hogg's Raspberry Gummy Bear Sour. Now it's a weak one, 2.8%, so it's practically non-alcoholic. But I don't know what time it is, I haven't got my watch on. But, you know, it's early in the day, we've only just got here, so let's give this a bash.
I'm going for a banging pale ale.
I'm going to this one.
6.5%. It doesn't say too much about it, apart from he's only got one finger. Oh, half a finger there. No. Careful where you put your finger.
You know what? It's not my favourite from Brew York. It's very drinkable. I thought it was going to be a lot sweeter than it is. What was the one I had the other day? I sent you the video of.
The raspberry one?
Maybe. I'll drop that in now. Look how tired my eyes are. Today's been rough. Let's see if this works. Katy Berry, Blueberry, Pastry Sour. Look at the colour of it. She's sour like. Hi, welcome back. It's not as good as that one, but it's still tasty. Still all right. I'm trying. What is this? India Pale Ale. That is very...
Oh, don't like that. Oh, don't like that.
That is a very strong smell.
That's gross. Sorry, that's lovely. Oh no, not for me that one. Sorry.
Well, I don't like that one.
That's one can. I'm sorry, not for me.
It's supposed to be sour.
Yeah, I know.
Can't please everyone, can you?
You can't. You can't. It's for balance. It's not just me here.
Oh, my arm hurts from holding this up. Right,
How many cans for this one? Oh, that one. You have to do it.
I think because I know what the other one tastes like, 2. Because I'd rather be drinking that one. Hello.
Chill out, mate. And this one for me. This is a 6 can.
No.
It is.
That's gross.
It's first can. See, I've had about 10 of these already. Actually, it's quite nice. Do you know it's not mixing well after that mint chocolate? That could be what it is. Yeah, so that's probably.
Don't drink Aero before you drink beers.
Oh, that's gross.
Anyway, yeah. See you in a bit.
Right then, Mark found us Paradise Hill. Don't know if he's told you yet. If he has, then only one of these will make the cut, but there you go. We decided that we were brave enough that it was actually good enough for an outside to set up. Marcus?
Hello.
Tazza? Just perfecting it. Minus. Got some new little toys to play with. I'll have a look at them further a bit later on. Try to do it so as you can see each other. I think Mark's perfecting his, and yeah,
Cabin.
it's gonna be awesome. So, don't want to go too far without doing any footage. Will be footage light. Better to have too much of it. Look at this.
I need to take some off, but
Well, we can hang the moon off that, can't we?
right then. Thought I'd best check in, considering I've been doing loads of stuff and just not filming it. Check my shelter out, look. It's big enough to stand in. We're in the swing and ball bag tonight. The old FE Active, the journey forward. In there I've got the army bivvy bag, just to add a couple of degrees of warmth. 5-season carp fishing sleeping bag. Got my air mat in there as well, which I think is probably going down a bit. Yeah, and for dinner, look at that. We're not going hungry tonight because I brought a leg of lamb. Gaz has brought some IKEA meatballs. Taz has brought everything else. Sausage casserole, some soup, even though it's leaked all over his bag, and his boots.
Oh, and then we've got a selection of meats.
Nice. Some antipasti.
Yeah. Bit of bread
Bit of bread.
and
Buns.
buns.
Nice. Oh, it's not directly over the flame, so it doesn't burn. I think that might be a decent height for it. We'll monitor it and see how it goes.
And then we've got Lincolnshire sausages
Oof.
with canola crunch bars.
Oh. Bloody hell.
And then
Oh, and Pringles. Fucking hell.
You fattening me up before you...
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Sour cream and barbecue.
Barbecue. Nice.
We're not sponsored by Aldi. But if you want to sponsor us, we'll take your low grade vegetables. Have a look at this.
Braised sausages.
Made with love. Taz, does Jess watch these videos? Or does she just think we're mad at us?
Sometimes.
I bully mine into watching them. She laughs at her. Looking forward to chowing down on that, mate. You ready?
Yeah.
Right, Mark.
Hello.
Should I tell them what's happening, or do you want to tell them?
I mean, for anyone who knows me, this is pretty obvious, but you can.
Okay. Well, little backstory. You may or may not know. The first time we went camping. Ooh, the first time we went camping, we did a what's the official name for that type of tattoo?
Hand poke.
Hand poke tattoos. And let me show you.
Towards me, so it's more on an angle.
That way.
Yeah.
You just tell me where to move and I can move, mate. If you on sat on the floor, I'll sit on the floor.
That's good. You ready?
Yep.
How's that?
That's much nicer than the ones we used to do.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I think getting tired of rubbish.
You don't like it?
No, I do. I've been getting tattooed for that long that the whole bravado thing has disappeared.
Yeah.
Before I used to be like, no, tattoos don't hurt me.
Yeah.
I like the feeling.
The first one didn't hurt at all, but I think I was just way too drunk to even care. Second one, smart, didn't know. I actually probably could have tapped out.
Really?
Yeah, it was quite painful. And this one, I mean, it's not, I wouldn't say it's pain free, but it's not bugging me. It's annoying.
What's the going good over that for you?
Oh, this is the new one, Taz?
All right.
There was a rule when we did these. There is no cover-ups and no adjustments.
No, I just wonder what that took me for.
Right, mate.
A cursive lie.
Is that it?
That's
Yeah.
it. Little ECG
Well, when
heartbeat.
did you do it all?
First camp,
All
and
right.
later camp, this camp.
All right.
Totem pole.
Totem tats.
Totem tat. Thank you very much, mate.
You're welcome.
I didn't know you'd done them on for the ones.
Yeah.
We did. That was before this YouTube palaver.
All right.
So, yeah. Very happy with that. Thank you very much, mate.
You're welcome.
Get rid of this leg. 'Cause that's my bad leg.
Your bad leg.
You excited, Taz? You should be.
What for?
This genius artist
Yeah.
about to leave his mark on your leg.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Pardon the pun. Mark on your leg. Mark. You get it? You get it?
Would you prefer it above your sock line or below your sock line?
Just anywhere. Don't matter.
Really?
There you go.
I'll decide.
It'll be. You'll see it.
We'll go a little bit below because that's kind of where we've got ours.
All right. What did you do, Marks, then?
Yes.
And Aaron, you did one and Aaron did one.
Did you do? Yeah.
How did you?
Yeah.
All right.
The imperfection of mine and Aaron's kind of is what makes,
Makes it
it special, isn't it? Anyone can have a tattoo, but
Why? How? What? Did you have that then?
No, it was all just poked in with a hand and a needle.
Oh, fuck it.
Do you want me to hold your hand out, Taz?
No, I'll be right.
Just let me know.
Can you remember what it feels like?
Yeah, fucking hurts.
Right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
How was that? Rubbish.
It's alright. It's like having, like when that nurse puts that bloody needle in, takes your blood.
Look at the concentration and the focus.
What, on Taz?
Yeah. So he doesn't cry. Oh, there was a clue to where we are. An audible clue.
What?
Oh, you won't be able to hear it, bless you. There's a noise in the background.
Oh, right.
Can you hear it? You never know, they might press the horn. Choo choo!
All right. Puffer Billy.
Oh yeah.
There you go, Taz.
You know, that was quick.
One of us. One of us. One of us. You can rest your hands on my leg if it makes it easier.
Is that alright?
Yeah. Use your other hand to stretch the skin out.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Needs to be deeper than that. That felt good. Now you don't want to move too quickly.
Okay. I'm just going to go up. Spreads out quite far, doesn't it? Okay.
Yeah, feels good. Definitely feels like it's going in.
Well, it looks quite thin, but that's okay. Oh, I've got a bit long with that one.
It's fine.
That one's super thin. Down. Should we do like that? You're going to do a train track.
I'll go for it again.
You ain't sure?
Yeah.
I mean,
It looks black from here.
from here it's alright.
Yeah.
Close up there's definitely a, at the bottom there's a train track, but
It's all good. This one.
nearly.
Right then. Catty time. That guy there in the middle of the screen. White can. That's what we're aiming for. Keep your eye on it, guys and girls. Right, see how many shots it takes to make contact. Right, shot number one. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
first shot, man. See if I can do 2 for 2.
You were just stop it.
Stone Cold killer of beer cans. Oh, I might not be able to hit it now though.
Where's it gone?
Well, it's still on the branch, but it's turned, so I've just got like the circular bottom of it to hit.
I feel like we should do it, you know, like they do in that you see them the dartboards where the stupid guy puts his hand out like that.
No, let's not be silly.
Okay. I'm not playing.
Oh,
What you eating?
yeah. There we go. 3 for 3. I'm the winner. Right, remember everything I've taught you guys.
Yeah, so straight. Like that, yeah?
And then finger over the top arch.
Yeah. And I aim with that bit.
Yeah, have you
straight,
got the bulbous bit in you? Yeah, the other side.
Oh, okay.
Make sure the bands are on top of each other. Get that top corner on the can and then let go gently. well low.
Was it?
Yeah. Still low.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well low.
Really?
Yeah. I don't understand.
Well, let me do it on a different angle. One more go, and I'm going to do it on a completely different angle and see if it even goes up.
It was higher than it was before.
It's so low.
Yeah.
I'm not good at it. I'll just admit to it.
How gutted are you going to be, Gaz, if Taz gets this first go?
I'll literally knock you both out.
What wants to be on what?
I thought you said you wanted it in your other hand.
No, just no. Can't do it that way. No, you said you were saying try it that way. Right, so what? Right, that bulbous goes in your hand.
Yeah.
That goes there, that goes there.
You have to tap your shoes together, put your heels specifically.
No place like home.
That goes there. That goes in there. Right, what?
And then stand sideways.
That, yeah.
Yeah. And then pull it back and
Yeah, but what wants to be where?
the very top corner of the frame, so this bit here,
Yeah.
wants to be on target with the can.
No way.
I didn't see where that went.
Back there. No way.
Through the can.
No, I dropped down. I haven't got one in. No, it's alright.
Yeah.
Just try and just have a look. I pull over. No way. No way, nowhere near.
Big licks.
Huh?
Big licks.
I'm just wobbly because I've had a beer. Oh, are you kidding me? Just below.
How did you miss that?
I don't know, but I've hit every single one up until now.
I'm not being funny, but it was special effects.
Oh,
we had a
you know
string
what-
tied to it.
You know what it is?
What?
The band's weakened because it's going to snap.
You put jigs
Throwing
in
it off, that's why I couldn't get anything, obviously.
Yes.
Tongue for stability.
Oh,
Didn't work. Guys, fuck off.
What?
Get that out of my face.
I'm framing it right. I'm a fucking photographer. Did you hear him, everyone? Call me a dick. There's no need for that, is there?
Yes.
I don't want to play your games.
Go on, Gareth.
No, it's not for me.
Right, I'll put it away then.
No, do it again. You can't, can you?
Tell you what, I will be able to wait.
What's that?
You! Why are you not scared, Gaz?
I've no fear.
Don't joke about hitting people with a catapult. It's
No.
not funny.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared because I've completed life. I've done everything. If I die today, I'm happy. I'll miss everyone, but I'm happy.
Yes.
Is it recording? Yep. Thanks. Right. Woo! You see that? I was nearly gone up in smoke. Next one. Brew York E. Check that out. I hope it tastes just like a Yorkie. Our favourite people in the world. Hint, hint. This is a chocolate milk stout. 4.8%. There's some cool cats on the artwork, just like me.
Can I come and join you on your seat, on your pew?
Oh, that smells chocolatey. Have a little. I mean, yeah, it's all right.
I want to start a forest fire.
Do something about it then. Blow on it. Did you get it?
I don't know. I hope so.
Anyway, yeah. So it smells pretty chocolatey.
It does.
Very close.
There's a stick there.
Oh yeah. Right. You nearly had a face full of it there. Oh yeah. That is very, very chocolatey. I wouldn't say it's bang on the flavour of a Yorkie, but it's not far off. I feel like I'm cutting my head off in short here.
That's funny, isn't it? It's almost granular chocolate. It's got texture.
Yeah.
Nice though.
Do you want to give that a go, Taz?
Yeah, you need to, Taz. Come.
Yeah, very chocolatey.
Yeah.
Very chocolatey.
The aftertaste is almost more chocolatey than the
Yeah.
than the I don't know what.
I think with that being a 4.8,
I could do 4 cans. I'm going to say 4 cans.
I think more. I think maybe like 5 or 6. Because I'm not going to be absolutely smashed.
No, but I've not got a mega sweet tooth, which is the only reason why I say it. So it tastes lovely. Super strong. It is nice. Actually, no, I'm going to say 5 cans. I'm going to up it. That's really nice. And because we're smashing them out, let's go straight on to this Brewdog Aldi rip-off. Well, no, it's not about collaboration, not rip-off. It's Brewdog and Aldi collaboration. It's quite good. Rather than actually just letting them rip you off, just accept it and go in with them.
Yeah,
It's like Marks and Spencer should have done with the Catapult.
I wonder if Aldi are going to start letting dogs in now. Do you know the rule about that?
No.
They have in Brewdog pubs, you can take a dog in, and the dog gets free beer.
Woof! It's a plain IPA, isn't it? But
Yeah.
if you want an IPA and you want it reliable from Aldi at a decent price,
There's nothing offensive about it. It's fine. It's an IPA. I could drink maybe like 5 or 6 of them, 7. I mean, in a
it's
little
a smaller can, so
10.
yeah. Do you know what? Nothing special, nothing wrong.
Yeah.
So
Fine.
you could drink it like you can drink any lager. So yeah, happy days. I hope I'm in sweet. I hope I was holding it right now.
You what I mean?
Feels heavy.
I mean, you're getting a good shot of my.
You're very quiet, Taz. Has Mark upset you? He upsets most people.
Shut up.
Concentrating on my pita bread. So it don't burn.
This is definitely the best feast we've orchestrated.
It is. Pretty.
I mean, the chicken burgers last time, chef's kiss, but there's something about cooking a limb that's very close and bright.
Right. Can't control lumens.
You can
How?
turn it off. Where's it gone? You give me this. You should know how to use it. Oh, that's brighter. Oh, there we go.
Can't see, you know. Well, I can actually. It's okay.
It's still light.
6 minutes in, you know.
Is it? Right, let's wrap it in then. Yeah. So we're drinking plenty of beers anyway. So
Yeah, there we go. Happy days. Catch you in a little bit.
battery's gonna be absolutely. Oh, you've just turned it back on, you knob.
I don't know if that was because of the phone.
You fucking dick.
There's no need for that.
That's good, in. That's good.
So I got way too excited and didn't even think about sharing what we've done. But I've done meatballs, mashed potato, green beans and Swedish gravy. The reason I did that is I thought like flat pack furniture, building some up, you know, from, yeah. And, is that alright, guys?
Banging.
It's a good starter before the mains. What are you saying that for? Absolute penis.
You get really aggressive.
You're aggressive, it's catchy. Just because I'm comfy and warm.
Send a message to Mick, wish you was here.
I would, but he'll just reply saying, fuck off. How was starter, guys?
Amazing.
Did you like it?
I'm pretty full, to be fair now.
That's why I got mine in first. This guy, zero respect.
Pure ledge.
Zero respect for his elders. How old are you? 37 and I'm 40. Have some respect. When you were 3-year-old, when I...
old guy.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Next time we come here, I'll be able to come on bus and be passed. I'll catch coastline.
Can I get it half price for being your carer?
I'll let me pass.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if I can go on as half price and I'll pretend to be your carer. I'm just here to wipe his chin.
So Taz has cooked us up this sausage casserole. Thank you very much, Taz. Complete with pita breads. Course number 2. So what you're saying, lads, is it's too hot to eat.
Yeah.
All I can hear is... Look at that.
That kebab's going to take a lot of beating now.
I don't know, I didn't think it was that great. I mean, it was good having a kebab in the woods, but...
Do you know what was the most, out of all the meals we've ever had, the most like, oh, was when the first camp when we had the roast potatoes.
Yeah. That was a good casserole, that, Taz.
Took you a little bit further down.
What a wanker.
Oh, will you fuck off?
Right. So, my last beer of the evening is another Brew York. Big up Brew York. Just give me a sponsorship.
You know, one day they can scare you and do it.
Be like, right, we want you to review 20 beers a week. I'll be like 20 stone.
Well, you can do that. Get your home and do them.
Yeah, but I'll end up being 20 stone.
Just pretend.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to taste this? Oh, it's lovely.
Right, so this one is Hig. H-Y-G. Hig. And it's a vegan peanut, caramel and marshmallow milk stout. It's weighing in at a mighty 10%. And
Wine, isn't it?
yeah,
Well, it's more than wine, to be fair.
it's got a sloth on it,
A pirate.
pirate ship, and some peanut shapes. And the sloth has a heart BY on it. I don't know what any of this is.
What's that?
Baby Ruth. It's an American chocolate bar, isn't it?
Ah, there you go.
Baby Ruth.
There
Like
you go.
sloth.
Has it got a raw?
Sloth from the Goonies. I fucking get it. Oh, that is strong as soon as it hits the palate.
Them ones I had the other night.
I'm not getting peanut straight away. A little bit caramel.
That's quite strong, isn't it? That tastes just like that one I sent you the other night that I said was 10.2%.
Yeah.
It's nice. I like that. That's a that is, see, this is difficult because it's 10%. I know I could drink that all night, but I don't think I'd manage more than 4 calories.
I don't get any peanuts, I don't like that.
I'm getting
No caramel, no.
a caramelly marshmallow vibe. Marshmallow or raspberry or
I'm not getting raspberry. It's
no, you know,
there's a sweet.
nougat. You know the white and pink
Nougat.
nougat, yeah. Nougat, which has peanuts in it.
Yeah, maybe.
The nougat.
And look, pink and white.
It's nougat. It is.
Marshmallows, pink and white, isn't it? Nice. I like it. I think flavour-wise, I could drink a lot of it, like, you know, eight cans or whatever. But because of the strength of it,
4.
I think I'd get to 4 and I'd be rolling around,
Yeah.
needing me nappy on.
Yeah, I think that's very, very drinkable, but it's strong. I'm gonna kind of, if it was half the strength, I could drink it all night. I could session it. It's very tasty. I do like it. So yeah, it's nice. Happy days.
Can't believe, I mean, it's on the nose, isn't it? Actually illustrating a sloth
Yeah.
with the whole pirate theme, because sloth from the Goonies. I do want to know what Hig is about though. H-Y-G?
You have to goggle it.
Yeah. Or maybe someone can tell us.
Yeah.
Leave a comment
Yeah.
down below if you know what it
Comment
means.
down
So is it piratey? Is it something to do with the Goonies?
I tell you what, if you don't know what to comment, you can't really, it's not really your thing. Just drop a letter. Drop a letter down below. A, B, C, I mean E, if it, G, D, U, whatever tickets you fancy, just to see who we're actually capturing here. Like, if everyone get into like 40 seconds and then just going, yeah. Just, you know, I want to see kind of roughly, because views isn't really, you know, who are we actually captivating? Just drop a letter below, or like it. In fact, like it. Yeah, that'll do it. No, do both.
Yeah.
Do both. Do it for me.
And I can guarantee,
I'll get 3 likes.
no, I can guarantee, because I'm the one who set up the page, so I get the notifications and the emails to say you've had so many comments. So far, I've made a conscious effort to go through and reply or comment back on every comment. So leave us a comment and I'll reply to you in a timely fashion.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you say anything bad about Gaz, I'll let him know and I'll get him to reply.
Yeah. 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 I'm not a big girl's blouse. Not fair.
Let's see if she's watching now.
And you've written it in caps. How aggressive.
But thank you. Cheers to you
Yeah,
for
thanks for
watching
commenting.
and commenting.
Yeah.
We won't say your username out loud, but we appreciate you watching our videos, so thank you. Even though Gaz is a big girl's blouse.
Well said, Taz. Now be quiet.
What's that other lad? Sarah's cousin or friend or...
Oh, was it Graham? Graham Haw?
Yeah, something.
That's well remembered, mate. I can't remember.
I was fucked as well. I mean, sorry for swearing. I was very inebriated and I had multiple injuries.
That
And
way.
for anyone who's seen that camp, I'm sorry that the title was misleading.
It wasn't.
Wasn't.
It wasn't. It was graphic.
Graphic warning.
Yeah. I thought it was. Yeah.
For how many thousand views has it got?
It's just short of 12 or 11. Is it 11 or 12?
Yeah.
Something like that.
So all those people that have watched it thinking that we were going to see
30 seconds of it.
mega gore,
Yeah.
I apologise.
I wonder how many times to skip 10 seconds.
Where's the
And then
gore?
had to go
Where's the
backwards. And then I had to go backwards in case I missed it. I'm saying it because I've done it. I know it happens. Don't lie to me.
Loved it. That's why.
Oh, it's just kicking. You got any mint sauce?
Don't need mint sauce, mate.
Saucy enough.
Have you not seen my marinade?
Yeah.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah. Don't put that bit in your mouth, because it's here.
Well, do you want it?
Yeah. Oh my. Didn't expect that. That's really nice. Yeah. Oh. 10 cans. We've finished cooking the lamb. Taz has just shared with us that he doesn't eat lamb.
Bombshell. If I didn't snap the end of my knife off,
That's what it is. It's because he snapped the end of his
I
knife
can't
off.
even stab the meat to pick it up.
Well, why don't you ask one of us for your knife? Just eat it. How was that? In your mouth?
Tasty. Here you go.
Alright. Well, let you chase this properly first.
I say that don't look fatty.
Sat here, it's April. I've just got a jumper on, trousers, by the fire. Just nice.
Going to
Don't have
sleep?
a down jacket on or anything. Just chilling.
Well, according to temperature, it's 9.6.
Look at him, he's gone in the baby pose. He's got to sleep.
Well, I haven't got anything else to rest my head on.
Sit up.
No.
Sit up. Look at that smile. Look at that. Look at the
Cozy.
contentness.
I'm full of meat.
Look at that. This is what it's about. Only waking up for alcohol. Only waking up for alcohol. This is what it's all about. I've drank all mine now.
Lamb has been eaten. There is more to be eaten, but we're all full AF. If only there was more people here to eat it with us. Should we name and shame them?
Yeah.
Mick Cook.
Oh,
I'm going to put his full name on YouTube, I don't care.
it hurts me when you say his name now.
You know what's even worse about it?
He said he was coming.
He said he was coming. On Thursday night, he said he was coming. Is there anything worse than flaky
Put his
friends?
address on to hate mail.
Number 2.
Aaron. Said his second name. I mean,
He's a lot taller than us, so we won't say his surname.
he's harder than me. He used to be in the SAS, so I can't mock him.
But, shit friend for not coming.
Yeah.
Although we do kind of understand because you're thinking about your family, which is fair enough.
It's the first reason you're out with a loan. Aaron, you wouldn't survive on a loan.
No. And I get it, but also I feel like I'd be really good on a loan. Who told you that?
I don't know. Nick. Can't put that in, delete that.
My fish. My fish was just like this. Right. The last vlogs are going on. Everyone's getting in their bags. It's been a great night. We've drank loads of beer and ate way too much food. But isn't that what it's about? Good night, guys. Good night, Taz. Good night, everyone. Can you hear that? Gaz is a knob. Right. Anyway, I've had fun. Even though not too sure if I like Gaz anymore. How'd you York? What?
Said that, in fact, you said that 2 times ago.
No, I didn't.
You did?
No, I didn't. We can watch the footage back. I did not say that, you knob.
I didn't say you said it on camera.
Ah.
Maybe I dreamt it. That noise you made then, that's what the noise is that you were making in your sleep.
What?
Yeah. You must have just been agreeing with someone.
Maybe, yeah.
So guess what? I drank way too much again. Can you hear that? Mark has been a knob.
Feel a bit uneasy because Gaz is staring at me. Oh, that's alright.
I'm more worried about the fire.
Why?
I don't know.
It's fine.
I feel like I should.
Right then, good night.
Good night.
See you tomorrow for the tidy up. Goodbye.
Cheers, Dave.
Don't have nightmares.
Don't have nightmares.
Morning, YouTube. So, that was a pretty good sleep. Wait, I wouldn't say I feel like super refreshed or anything, but did drink a lot of beer.
6.5 degrees.
6.5 degrees. Nice. It's better than -6, isn't it? Really don't want to have to get up, to be fair, but it's kind of comfy. But there's jobs to do, so we must do them. However, then, let's get up. Hiya. We're all packed up. We've cleared everything up. I say we, they did it while I was faffing, putting my stuff away. Been a real good night, really enjoyed it.
Very good night. You enjoy yourself?
Yep, good.
Really nice to come somewhere new and have the challenge of just trying to find a spot and making sure that, you know, we're not going to be seen by anybody, or because we don't know where the paths are in this wood. But
It was a little bit contradictory to our recce video. If you haven't watched that, have a look.
yeah,
Because we did come blind, but it worked out all right. And this isn't.
you can't recce everything,
No.
especially when it's like a good hour or so away from
Oh,
home.
you did recce here, did you?
No,
No,
Oh,
not
that's what
here.
I'm
That's what I'm saying. So,
Oh, blind video.
yeah. And this spot isn't ruled out for another visit, is it?
I'm coming back at some point.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Right then.
Cool. Right, shall we blast
1,
off?
2, 3, whoa!